We had an area of land out the back that just wasn't being used, and it was a little bit problematic because it was on a slope, and we were looking for ways to expand our playground and to give the kids some more space to play. The main elements we wanted to incorporate was some area of developmental play and something that was along the lines of a little bit of risky play that, like I said before, incorporated our outdoor space and wasn't a blight on the natural environment, just merged in really nicely and was attractive. So it's a place for the children to go and be active, but it's also a place for them to go and sit and be quiet in the shade if that's what they want to do. Flo brought some really great ideas, design ideas to the table, in that he was aware that we wanted to do it in a number of stages. So Flo presented it as a final project and then showed me how it could be broken down and done in incremental bits so that we could pay for a bit, do a bit, the kids could use it for a while. Then we did some more fundraising, so we've got another bit about to start now, and we know exactly how it's going to end up and where it's going. Flo and his team kept our budget very much in mind by breaking it back down into the stages that I just talked about. By making sure that each stage was self-contained, it meant that it was finished and usable, and that if we didn't get on to the next stage for a little while, it was still quite okay, and the next stage would still flow into what we wanted with no negative effects from that. The new project has really positively impacted the school. We have an area of the playground that was out of bounds and out of use, which is now in daily usage, and it has really opened up the playground, spread the student population across our area much better, and it also means the adjacent basketball court is in use a lot more as the kids go out into that area to play. We are very excited about the next stage of the project. We have a copy of what it will look like. We've been provided with a design by the team, and everybody here is so excited about it that we're actually jointly funding that with between the school and the P&C and the parent body. So everybody's really excited. The children are really excited about it because they really love what we've already got. So they're really excited to see what will happen. And there are some fairly exciting inclusions in the next bit of the project as well. So I'm pretty excited myself to see how that looks when it gets in.